आ रही है। जोरदार तालियों के साथ इनका स्वागत करेंगे।
Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on Republic Day. Before moving forward, I would like to wish you all who are present here a happy Republic Day. I am so enthralled when my class teacher told me a few days back that you have been selected to deliver a speech on the 26th of January. I am excited but a bit nervous also, because I never gave a speech earlier in my school life. As you all know, today we have gathered here to celebrate the auspicious day of Republic Day, which we also known as Ganatantra Divas, and we all know that on this day in 1950 our full constitution came into effect. However, it was adopted on 26th of November 1949 under the chairmanship of our beloved Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, and we all know him as a father of Indian Constitution. He is one of the greatest leaders of modern India at that time. It's a gazetted holiday, but schools remain open to organize different functions in their school, just as we are doing. Students perform several cultural activities and sing patriotic songs to remember our freedom fighter and celebrate the big day. As our principal sir hosts the national flag, similarly, the President of India hosts the flag at Rajpath, and every year they invited special chief guests from a different country. On the eve of Republic Day, our President gave a speech in the name of nation. In every school, college and in government office, we celebrate this day with zeal and enthusiasm. But the biggest celebration is observed at the Rajpath in New Delhi, where thousands of people gathered to watch the RDC parade. Chief guests from different parts of the country are invited to witness the celebration every year. The main attraction of the parade is the table view of the selected states, through which they showcases the tradition and culture of their states. The preparation for this parade is started at least 6 months before the Republic Day. Artists, students from different parts of the country participate in this celebration to make it memorable and grand one. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
धन्यवाद। मैं वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड हूँ त्रिशा के इस स्पीच से। त्रिशा ने हर मुद्दे को बताया कि कैसे हमारा देश आज़ाद हुआ, आज़ादी के बाद कैसे हमारा संविधान बना और संविधान किसने बनाया, और साथ ही साथ त्रिशा ने ये भी प्रूव किया कि संविधान बनने के बाद गणतंत्र दिवस जो 26 जनवरी पे मनाया जाता है, उस अवसर पे अलग अलग स्टेट की झांकी राजपथ पर दिखाई जाती है। और इन्होंने ये भी बताया कि सिमिलरली जैसे राष्ट्रपति रेड फोर्ट पे ट्राई कलर फहराते हैं,